busy.
Okay, very good, very good. But still, you never forgot to leave a message for us, and you shared something to the platform and left. That is,
Yeah,
uh,
of course.
yeah, that is exemplary. മറ്റുള്ളവർക്ക് മാതൃകയാക്കാവുന്ന ഒരു സംഭവങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. It is great. So I'm very happy.
Thank you.
This is this Prakash? Okay. Prakash also.
Yes.
Prakash is also there.
Okay.
Yeah, this is Prakash.
പിന്നെ Amrita is was present yesterday, day before. I think yesterday she.
No, yesterday
only.
But
even her presence is very much inspiring for us, because she is suffering this pain, and on one hand she is writing something and she is recording something and sending to the platform. It's great. We have to appreciate her.
Because now I'm much better than before. No, that's why.
Really it is great. That inspiration and that involvement is much commendable.
We all prayed for your speedy recovery, Amrita.
Maybe that is why I recovered very fastly,
Yeah, of course.
Thank you.
Prakash mute മാറ്റിയിട്ടില്ലെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു, അതാണ് സൗണ്ട്. Prakash bro.
Rajiv.
Prakash, you can unmute. You can just unmute, and so that you can speak. You can have interaction with.
Now unmute.
Okay, very good.
Unmute.
Now it's all right.
Okay,
Prakash, you are welcome, and you can.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Have you watched that video, Anup, about on success?
Yeah. Yesterday I watched. Yes.
Okay.
That successful speech, no, lady.
Yes. There was something there. She was talking about life audit.
Yes, of course. And I watched it and also noted some points.
Okay.
Life audit, yeah. Actually, dear friends.
Okay.
The last couple of days, I was a little busy, so I couldn't attend our group sessions. So let start the discussion myself.
Okay. You can proceed.
Okay. We are very happy to listen to you.
Okay. That video already shared by Bushi sir was a very inspiring video, inspiring speeches and thinkings also. I noted some points. Is that already? Hello?
Yes, we can hear. We can hear. Yes.
Okay. First, she classifies people. Two types. And she made a life audit like that. Actually, she made a life audit and she put some positives and negatives also. Okay. She says that if you can change only, she says, did you know that is, if you change only one thing in your life, the people. Okay. And she says about a life audit. What is life? And she explained what is life audit.
Mm.
And she made a list of all the people and spend time with them and put plus and minus. That's okay. And she says a conscious decision to spend more time with the people with the pluses
Mm.
and less time with the people with the minuses.
Mm.
And she also says and concluded that just eliminating toxic people from your life.
Mm.
അതായത്
Yeah.
മൈനസും പിന്നെ പ്ലസും ഒക്കെ നോക്കിയിട്ട് ആളുകളെ വിലയിരുത്തിയിട്ട് മൈനസുള്ളവരെ കൂടെ കുറച്ച് സമയവും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ പോസിറ്റീവായ ആൾക്കാരുടെ കൂടെ കൂടുതൽ സമയം ചെലവഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് മൈനസായ ആൾക്കാരെ എലിമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് പോസിറ്റീവായ ആൾക്കാരുടെ കൂടെ സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുകയാണ് ആണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. അത്രയൊക്കെയാണ് എനിക്ക്
Yes.
മനസ്സിലായത്.
Yes, sure. What do you understand by positive people?
Positive people. Sorry, sir. Once again, you can
What
repeat.
are the qualities you mean?
Yeah,
Qualities of positive people.
They are very
they're helping, they're encouraging, they're inspiring,
encouraging,
they're
others
helping you to grow.
and supporting
Yes.
others.
Yes. What about other friends?
But negative people's what they do?
They
They
drain
will
our good qualities from us. And
drain. Yeah.
They laugh at you.
Suck the
They
energy
might be
out of.
yes.
Yeah. Yes.
They may be discouraging you. They may be
Yeah.
bringing about a number of thousands of excuses for not doing certain things. So such people,
Not encouraging and all this.
yes, they will be helping you withdraw from the scene. So such
Yeah,
people,
definitely.
if you can make a list of people who can encourage you, and those who are negative people, you can delete
Discouraging.
from your
Eliminate.
from your list. That is what is meant by life audit.
Auditing.
Yeah. So how many people you spend your valuable time with? നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലപ്പെട്ട സമയം ആരുടെയൊക്കെ കൂടെയാണോ സ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന അവരുടെ ഒരു ലിസ്റ്റ് തയ്യാറാക്കുക. Prepare a list of those people and then think about whether this person is helpful for my growth. If he helps me in growing, helping in my profession, in my life, in my career, in my relationships, there are so many people. So if it is not at all helpful for you, just delete from that list. And you can
And who?
you can keep away from them. That will help you to have people in your surroundings who will support and inspire you. So that is a great message.
Spend more time with that type of people.
Yes.
Who is inspiring and encouraging.
Like me and Bashir sir, example.
Yes, exactly.
Prakash, what do you say
Prakash also, sir. Prakash also. I forgot.
Prakash, what do you say about this? The comments from Anoop. Do you agree with Prakash? Do you agree with Anoop?
I listening very interesting to the Anu voice. He says about success. Success is not come alone, but depends our inspiration, courageous and supportive person. Yes, I agree with Anu.
Okay, very good, very good,
about
very
the-
good.
Thank you. And
Okay.
how about Amrita
Johnson.
Johnson?
Johnson is yeah.
You can unmute and speak. ഏതാ ഇവരൊക്കെ സംസാരിക്കുന്ന കണ്ടില്ലേ? ഈ അനൂപൊക്കെ ഇത്രയും വലിയ ബഡായി സമയത്ത് നീ ഉണ്ടാതിരുന്നാൽ എങ്ങനെയാ?
വടായൊക്കെ കേട്ട് പുള്ളി പോയിന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. ജോൺസൺ വർഗീസ്.
Okay, Johnson,
ഉണ്ട്,
join with us.
active ആണത്.
You can speak. പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. Whatever you feel. പറഞ്ഞോ, ധൈര്യമായിട്ട് പറഞ്ഞോളൂ. There is nobody else. We are only relatives. We are friends. We are supportive people.
എനിക്കിത് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല.
See, all these people are speaking English, right? Can you follow them? Can you understand what they are speaking? Johnson?
Is he
Yes,
not
sir.
at the platform?
ഇവര് പറയുന്നത് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ?
ചെറുതായിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ട്.
Okay, very good, very good, very good. Appo keep listening and whatever you feel, try to express it. Just feel free with us. It's a matter of confidence. So if you want to grow your confidence, right or wrong, feel free to express it. It's right or wrong. It doesn't matter. നമ്മൾ പറയുന്നത് ശരിയോ തെറ്റോ എന്നുള്ളത് വിഷയമല്ല. Because we are all on this platform, we are all learning and we are all here to reach the same destination. We have the same destination. We have one goal. So we are ready to help, support people who are on this journey, on this track. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Salai, have you listened to today's audio from me?
Yeah.
I just shared
Yeah, that restaurant video, no?
yes.
Yeah.
A message
Yes.
from Facebook. Okay, can you comment
Yes,
on
yes.
that?
Yes. Sir,
Yes.
that the Sundar
Pichai.
Sundar Pichai, widely known as the CEO of Google. I know.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
CEO
Yes,
of Google.
Of course. Yes. Good.
Okay. He is the brilliant man, and he belongs a middle class family.
Yes.
Then he our Google Toolbar, Google Chrome, Google Worksheets, etc.
All
He is
developer. He developed.
all developed,
Developer.
and he became the CEO of Google.
Okay.
I think he's a great leader also. His behavior and also very interesting and courageous, inspirative and supportive.
Inspiring.
Yeah.
Inspiring. Okay.
That type of people can
Inspiring to us.
speedily.
Yes.
Can rise.
I just look in YouTube to that person, Sundar
Okay.
Pichai. A lot
Okay.
of matter comes to in his living matter, and that I read, and I am very interesting to understand his achievements also.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what do you say about the incident I just described? Do you
Oh.
remember that one? So
Yes,
how
yes, yes, yes. I
I
remember,
had a
sir.
question there. I had a question.
The Sundar Pichai and his wife together goes to a restaurant and they ordered some food. Meanwhile, comes the cockroach to her shirt and they screaming. Isn't correct, sir?
Yes, yes, yes. Right, right.
Uh, that time that time they have a panic situation. People behave different ways to approach the situation, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
That yes.
What's your opinion about the behavior of these two people? How will you describe?
Two types of people, their behavior is different.
Yes.
One only എന്താ പറയാ വളരെ നിലവിളിക്കുന്നു അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഒരു പാനിക് സിറ്റുവേഷൻ മേക്കിംഗ് എ പാനിക് സിറ്റുവേഷൻ.
Okay.
But the other side of the people calmly the situation handling with calmly.
Yes, yes.
That is the I think the handling situation is very important of our daily life.
Approaching, approaching. അല്ല sir, approaching അല്ലേ?
Yeah, of course.
Or handling.
Yeah, handling the situation in different ways. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, what do you say, Amarda, about this? Let Amarda
I
speak.
have also same opinion. I think because she come from I think she's living very high this one no surrounding. She have good surrounding. Maybe the waiter have another this one. He is not able to she is not able to do anything that cockroach because she's normally not seeing that and not know any connection with that, because
Okay.
maybe now our life no there is our house and the waiter also from I think he is from a normal lifestyle. Normally there is chance no.
Okay.
Then he want to uh he want to what I mean, he want to norm what I ഞാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചത് അറിയാം സാർ.
Okay. Anub, can you just?
This handling of people is any related. അതായത് ഞാൻ ചോദിക്കാൻ ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചതേ,
Okay.
ഈ ആളുകളെ ഹാൻഡിൽ ചെയ്യുന്നതും അപ്രോച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നതും നമ്മൾ ഈ എഡ്യൂക്കേഷനുമായിട്ടൊരു ബന്ധമില്ലെന്നാണ് തോന്നുന്നത്. ഇപ്പൊ വെയിറ്റർ മീൻസ് ചിലപ്പോ വളരെയധികം പഠിച്ചിട്ടൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവില്ല.
Because he have that this one no but he is every time seeing and he know how to remove that cockroach and all things. Maybe that lady is first time
Not like that.
Mhm.
Otherwise that restaurant will
No. I am telling his house no, he is from middle class or lower middle class family.
Yeah.
She's from upper middle class no, financially very rich or something. That's I mean.
Okay.
My opinion is here we can compare that cockroach as a problem.
Okay.
And
Okay.
we have two options. We have two options in front of us.
Okay.
Either running around with that problem
Okay.
and getting trouble to others also.
Racing.
Okay.
Otherwise we can take the problem out. We can take the problem out and easily
Solve it.
Get out. Solve it easily.
Solve the problem. Okay, here actually when we compare the two behaviors, we can say it is the first one. The lady's behavior is one of reaction. The lady was reactionary, and the behavior of that waiter is one of response. He was actually responding positively, and the other one was reacting to the situation. We can also say one is a pro-action and the other is reaction. React.
Don't react,
We are
but always
facing
respond.
a situation. I think Johnson Varghese. Johnson, do you have a dog in your
Yeah.
Do you
Yeah,
have
yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you speak something about the dog? Can you say a few sentences about your dog? Johnson?
Which type is it? Which type and what color, like that?
Okay,
Johnson.
okay. Johnson? Just
Sir.
Johnson Varghese,
Yes, sir.
don't worry about anything.
okay. You just say one or two sentences about your dog. Like I have a dog. Yeah. Why do you keep your dog there? How helpful your dog is? What is the duty this dog is doing? Huh?
Firstly, what is the name?
What is his name?
Dogine name illa.
Dog's name.
You did not put any name, all
No
right?
name.
Okay, but
No
still,
identity.
you can say something about the dog. Where do you keep the dog? Do you keep a kennel for the dog?
Kennel, one is the kennel, Dana?
Kudu.
Kudu.
Kennel.
Patikudu.
Kudu.
Yes.
Spelling and the
KENNEL.
KENNEL.
Sorry, particular kennel.
കിളികൾക്ക് next.
കിളികൾക്ക് nest. Bees ആണെങ്കിൽ hive.
Nest.
Okay. So if it is for Johnson, it is a house. We can call where Johnson താമസിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലത്തിന് നമുക്ക് we can say it's a house. Johnson, can you speak a few?
Yes, sir.
You can. What food you give to your dog? Do you give parota, bread?
Rice.
Rice.
Only rice. Vegetable dog.
What else?
It's a vegetarian dog.
Vegetarian. Okay. Non-veg also you are giving. You are giving meat also. You give meat also. Give fish.
Yeah. Fish, chicken.
Chicken also. Oh, really? Okay. And how helpful the dog is for you? What is the color of the dog?
Black and white.
Black and white. How do you feel about its behavior? Okay.
It's barking.
It's barking. When your friends come, when your friend approaches you, suppose myself and Bashir, I am coming to your house, your dog will bark.
Bark, only barking, eh? No
No biting.
biting.
No
Yeah.
biting.
Barking dog
seldom
seldom
bite.
bite.
Yes, Johnson.
Yeah, right.
നിങ്ങളുടെ നായ കടിക്കുമോ എന്നാണ് ചോദിച്ചത്. Okay, very nice. So the behavior, we have been talking about the two behaviors. So the first one is
Yeah.
reactive.
Reaction.
Sometimes whenever we face a situation, for example, we have a quarrel, I don't agree with you, and I am trying to convince you my viewpoint, my arguments, and I'm trying to make it clear I am right and you are wrong. So what you
They generalize their point.
Yes,
Sir, they generalize their point of view.
yes, you just figure out a letter, a digit 6 എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു ഡിജിറ്റിനെ നമ്മൾ ശരിക്കും ഒന്ന് തല തിരിച്ചിട്ട് when you are looking from one angle it is 9. When you look from another angle it is
Both.
9. Who is right and who is wrong? ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് when you are looking from a particular angle it looks 9. When you look from the other angle it looks 9 or 6. So who is right and who is wrong?
Both are correct.
Both are
wrong.
Both are wrong.
both are wrong. Both are right.
Both are mathematics.
No, both are right. They're wrong.
Both are mathematics. So any viewpoint is right. I believe all are right. From their viewpoint, they are right.
They are right.
Yes. So we how can we resolve this kind of a problem? നമുക്ക് ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു പ്രോബ്ലം വരുമ്പോൾ how can we resolve? നമ്മളിപ്പോ 9ന്റെ ഭാഗത്ത് നിൽക്കുന്നു. Can you just move to the other angle? If you can just move to the other angle and look, and look from the that angle, you can also see his viewpoint, and you can see the other person's viewpoint too. So you will realize and you will get
Empathy.
a big picture. You will get a whole
Compromising
picture.
is required.
Compromise. Okay, you will develop such an attitude only when you think it is right, he is also right, I am also right, and the other person is also right, because he is looking the issue, he is looking at the situation from a particular viewpoint. But here it is not it is not so, because our previous experience, that lady must have some previous experience in the past life. In the past life, she must have what I can say about that lady's behavior is, actually, as a psychologist, I can understand something that in her childhood, Johnson ഒന്ന് അൺമ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്ത ആരുടെയാണോ സൗണ്ട് കേൾക്കുന്നത്? ഓക്കെ,
ജോൺസൺ unmute ആണ്.
അല്ല പ്രകാശിന്റെ ആണോ?
അല്ല മ്യൂട്ട് ആണ്.
അല്ലല്ല, ഇപ്പൊ സൗണ്ട് ആയിട്ട് എന്റെ
okay. So whenever a sound from outside happens here, it will be more clear. Even it will be louder than our sound, because okay. So okay, anyway, നമ്മള് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് വരുന്നത് ആ ലേഡിയുടെ ബിഹേവിയർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ആക്ച്വലി ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ടു ഹർ പാസ്റ്റ് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ്. ഒരു പക്ഷെ ചെറുപ്പത്തില് ഇതുപോലെ ഒരു കോക്രോച്ച് വന്ന സമയത്ത് her mother or father must have frightened her and screamed, made a big screaming sound by giving a signal, it is very much threatening and deadly. വളരെ അപകട ഡേഞ്ചറസ് ഒരു ആഗമനം വെരി ഡേഞ്ചറസ് ആണെന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഫീല് that experience must have gone to her mind. From her subconscious mind it so happened. അങ്ങനെ ഒരു similar situation when she confronts, there is every chance.
That's not clear.
uh,
I can only hear Rajesh friend's voice.
അത് മറ്റേ നിങ്ങള് മൊത്തത്തിൽ മ്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. എന്നാ പിന്നെ പ്രകാശ്, അനൂപ്.
Okay.
Okay, already if you are.
Let us continue. Sir.
Okay. So maybe it is because of her past experience, but from the present viewpoint, if you look at, നമുക്ക് പാസ്റ്റിലേക്കൊന്നും പോകാൻ കഴിയില്ല. വാട്ട് എവർ we are facing right now, we need to develop a positive pragmatic approach. നമുക്കൊരു പ്രാക്ടിക്കൽ അപ്രോച്ചിലേക്ക് പോകേണ്ടതുണ്ട്. So we will have to reshape or reprogram our mind, and we have to proceed with a practical sense. ഇത് ചിലപ്പോൾ ചിലർക്ക് ഉണ്ടായെന്ന് വരില്ല, because people approach. ഇപ്പൊ ശരിക്കും ഒരു accident happens. If it is a lady, sometimes she will scream, she will fall unconscious, and she will never approach the person lying hurt on the road. She even at the very first sight, the lady must have become unconscious. There are similar situations, but people, a person who is very courageous, brave, he may be ready to face, and he is straight away going to the situation, and he is ready to give the care, and he looks after the person who is affected, and he will take the person to the hospital immediately and give him some treatment.
Yes.
So these are two approaches.
So there are number of phobias.
Yes.
Care about fire, water,
Yes.
cockroach.
Yes. So
Sir,
So-
Correct.
such
the past month, there are a child was bite a snake.
okay.
When the child was a quarantine in corona, regarding corona. People screamed and reacted very well, but they didn't respond. The situation
The
is
person
very
who
sad.
was in quarantine was bitten by the snake.
Yeah, that was
Quarantine.
a little.
Yes, sir.
little,
Bitten by the snake.
girl or-
A little baby.
Okay.
But a man came to her and hospitalized.
Okay.
The courage of man is very appreciable.
It was a news. That time it was a news.
News from yes,
In our
yes.
social media.
Okay.
All other
Yes.
plane.
The situation
So,
handling is important.
Yeah. It is very important. Okay. I think our time is going to end. So before we wind up the session, I'm very. I would like to appreciate you all for responding and taking active role in our discussion. And I would like to suggest to you, we have to start thinking in English. How can we start thinking in English? നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിൽ തിങ്ക് ചെയ്യുക എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇറ്റ് ഇസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. Normally people learn English or any other foreign language through translation method. നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു പ്രോസസ്സിൽ നിന്ന് ഇറ്റ് ടേക്സ് ടൈം. നമ്മൾ ട്രാൻസ്ലേറ്റ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് ഇറ്റ് ടേക്സ് ടൈം. So what we need to do is, we have to imagine, first of all, as I told you, if you can just imagine a situation from your life and you try to recall it and you try to speak it out in front of a camera, or in front of your mirror, നിങ്ങൾ മിററിന്റെ മുമ്പ് പോയിരുന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഒരു സംഭവത്തെ നിങ്ങൾ റീകോൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് ജസ്റ്റ് ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞ് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യുക. അതുപോലെ യു ക്യാൻ ഓൾസോ ഡിസ്ക്രൈബ് സംതിങ് very in what is happening, what you can see in your surroundings. So now I am in my sit out. I am sitting in my sit out. You can see a red curtain behind me. You can see so many things, my mouse, my laptop,
Light.
there is a chair, it is made of
Light.
light. You can see different objects. Just to try to describe your surrounding, just imagine, you look at it and you try to describe it. You try to speak in your mind. നമുക്കൊരു സെൽഫ് ടോക്ക് ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടാവുമല്ലോ. ഓ, ഹി ഈസ് എ ജെന്റിൽമാൻ, ഹി ഈസ് വെരി നൈസ്, ഐ ക്യാൻ സീ. You can say something in your mind. If your self talk is happening in English, it is very easy for you then to, whenever you are getting an opportunity to speak in English, so just keep it in your mind, what is happening here. Try to talk to yourself in English. It will help to speed up your momentum. നമ്മളുടെ സ്പീഡ് കൂട്ടാൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലേക്ക് നമ്മൾ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന വരുന്ന സമയത്ത് നമ്മൾ മലയാളം ആലോചിക്കുന്നു, പിന്നെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷിലേക്ക് അത് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നു. ഇറ്റ് വിൽ അഫക്റ്റ് അവർ ഫ്ലുവൻസി. നമുക്ക് ഒരു ഫ്ലുവൻസി ഉണ്ടാവില്ല. സോ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു സിറ്റുവേഷൻ ഒഴിവാക്കിക്കൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ റിയലി ഹൗ വി ക്യാൻ തിങ്ക് ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് വെരി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻറ്റ്. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ യു ജസ്റ്റ് ഇമാജിൻ എ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ. ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞ ആഴ്ച നിങ്ങൾക്കുണ്ടായ ഒരു സംഭവത്തെ നിങ്ങൾ ഓർത്തെടുക്കുന്നു. യു വിൽ ട്രൈ ടു സ്പീക്ക് അബൌട്ട് ദ സിറ്റുവേഷൻ, ഓർ ഒരു സെൽഫ് ടോക്കായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ആദ്യം സംസാരിച്ചു നോക്കൂ. ദെൻ യു ട്രൈ ടു സ്പീക്ക് ടു യുവർ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഓൺ ദ പ്ലാറ്റ്ഫോം ഹിയർ. ഇപ്പൊ നിങ്ങൾ സംസാരിച്ചു, സി പ്രകാശ് സ്പോക്ക് ഹിയർ ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, ഓൾ അനൂപ് സ്പോക്ക് ഹിയർ ഇൻ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ്, അമൃത സ്പീക്സ് English, Johnson speaks English here. So we are actually not in a watertight compartment. We are here to share each other. As that video said, nobody is successful alone. Nobody is successful alone.
Yeah, of course.
ആരും ഇവിടെ alone ആയിട്ട് successful ആവുന്നില്ല. Is anybody successful alone?
No, nobody.
ആർക്കെങ്കിലും alone ആയിരുന്നിട്ട് ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക് സക്സസ്ഫുൾ ആവാൻ കഴിയോ? ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് പോസിബിൾ. അപ്പൊ നമ്മള് we can also become successful